Hello everyone. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel. Today we are going to learn about how to give prompt in ChatGPT. Nowadays it has been very vital to produce or generate accurate results. Usually I follow one rule that is called RICE, the acronym RICE, that is very vital. It has been done, many researches has been done on it, and people are using it and also find many convenience. So let's start. R for the role, the specific role which we want to give to the ChatGPT, like act as a chef. After defining the role, then we will go for I, that's instruction. We have to give specific and clear instruction to the ChatGPT, like please make me the recipe. Okay. Then comes C, which brings on context. It is also a salient point. Context means it has to be based on a country like USA, Switzerland, this type of things. After that, lastly, that comes with the example. We have to clearly mention the example to the ChatGPT, what type of example we want with the results. After this thing, ChatGPT will definitely analyze those inputs or those prompts and create an accurate result. I also found that thing very easy. So I think the video was helpful to you. So see you in the next video. Thank you so much.